Is Vancouver's real estate market heating up? If you read certain headlines this week, you might think so. The organization representing Greater Vancouver realtors put out their monthly data and talked about sales being up 3% from last August. That sparked stories in the media saying much the same thing. The analysis by Greater Vancouver realtors being that with softer home prices, more people are getting into the market. But how much is that really happening? Here is a chart. It shows the monthly average of all residential properties sold in Greater Vancouver, spread out over a year to flatten out seasonal fluctuations. Things are still really flat. We haven't seen a sustained period this low this century. And other housing experts aren't seeing the same signs of life that Vancouver realtors are.
The numbers show it's still a pretty slow market. So we have moved back up, but still the sales flow is very low. Yes, there is a slight increase in sales, but a very sluggish market at this point.
Central One chief economist Brian Yu saying it's not surprising. There's still global economic uncertainty. Interest rates still aren't at the very low rate they were throughout the 2010s. And, of course,
We're not seeing a lot of movement in terms of affordability improvements due to mortgage rates and prices themselves. They're off, but again, they're still quite elevated.
and that is true. Here is another chart. The average selling price for detached homes is going down, but it's still near $2 million. And condos and townhomes aren't moving either. So it may well be that the market is heating up. Vancouver realtors implied as such last month, the month before that, this winter, and last fall. Or, as Yu argues, the market is still flat, has been for years, and developers are continuing to adjust to a new Vancouver where boom periods are much rarer than they were before. Justin McElroy, CBC News, Vancouver.